Go get it, Kenna. Lizzie, bring the ball back over here. Did it roll to Columbus? Sarah Hartford. Oh, sidewalk, sidewalk, sidewalk. Go back in the yard.
You're okay. You're okay. Go play over there.
Lizzie, go put it back in the grass.
Go play. Here. Go play in the grass.
Oh. Careful.
Stay off the sidewalk.
Lizzie, go in the grass. Oh, careful, Kenna. That'll fall on you.
Kenna, you're way too small for that. Go play with this. Go play with the big ball over there.